Hey there, this is Vanessa DeBurle, and welcome to my channel, Affiliate Marketing Mastery, where you can learn to earn a passive income guilt-free. And today we're going to do a tutorial of ClickFunnels. Are you feeling like in your business you are all over the place? You have an autoresponder platform that you need to use, and then you have to come over here for your website, and it's just one thing after another. Wouldn't it be nice to have everything in one place? I've always said I like that one-stop shop theory, and that's what ClickFunnels does. It brings it all together. When you go in as a new member, this is really nice. You will see right here where you can start a 14-day free trial. I highly recommend that. Anything that you go to purchase, you should look at the free trial. Many platforms, software, they always have free trials so that you can go in and check it out. Once you get in there, it's going to ask you questions like what kind of business do you have, and it's going to kind of plug you in to training that really meets your needs. So that's what I really like about ClickFunnels. And for 14 days, go in there, use the site, see what it does, and you actually get to build a funnel. Now, what is a funnel? A funnel takes the place of a website. You can build a home page where people can come and see your storefront, and you also have a place to send out your lead magnets, sale pages, things like that. Again, I'm assuming you're familiar with all those things. Now, once you get in there, I want to show you some of the other things that ClickFunnels does. We are going to build a funnel, or I'm going to show you how to in just a moment, or where to go. But this is what I like about ClickFunnels is they have a tab up here. It's called Actionetics. You can get rid of your autoresponder, get rid of your active campaign or your Aweber or MailChimp, and do it right here within ClickFunnels. Everything is there. So when you build a funnel and you want to collect emails, everything's right here. You don't have to leave the tab and go someplace else and make sure it was sent. You just go in here and you can collect your emails, your contacts, send out your broadcasts. You can even create templates where if your broadcast you have some information down in the footer, you can save all of that and just type up your new broadcast, send it out that fast. You can do follow-up funnels, just like Active Campaign, where you can go do the different funnels in different directions. You can do that here. ClickBots, so you don't need your ManyChat anymore for your Facebook messaging. And then there's email campaigns. So if there's a certain campaign, a sequence of emails that you want to use again, instead of saving it as just a sequence, you can save it as an email campaign separately and maybe run it again a couple times a year or whatever you want. So all of that, you can get rid of your autoresponder. Everything is right here. Now, you've been in business for a while and you want to build your own course, or you want to have your own product that you want to allow other people to sell. So you've been an affiliate. Now you want to be the vendor. You want to be the person to create the product and let other people earn money and commissions off of your product. It's under here in Backpack. Everything is set up for you right here that you can start your business as a vendor as well and let other people earn the commissions off your products. And some of you have built courses and you have to go to other programs like Kajabi and build it over there and then try to sell it. Well, it's all right here. Build your course in ClickFunnels, build your affiliate program in ClickFunnels. So everything's a one-stop shop. Now, before we go on, I do want to show you how easy it is to build a funnel. You just click this button here, funnel, or I'm going to build one here. It says new funnel. We're going to build a new funnel. And in there, they have a copy of a cookbook. You can get a free copy of the cookbook. And let's go up here to funnels. There's two ways that you can build your funnel. There's templates in here, and one's called the cookbook theory, and then there's another way that you can do it. We're going to hit new over here. Now, before I hit that button, this is some funnels that I've built. You can see like I have a demo tab here. I can build my funnels and then organize them under different headings. All right, so that's really nice. You can organize them any way you want. But this cookbook builder process, Russell Brunson has created a cookbook to explain to you exactly how a funnel works. I actually got that right away. It was free. Pick it up so that you understand. Now, you can look at it online and look at a version that's not a hard copy, but I like a book. I like to look at them. So I went ahead and got the free cookbook. I just had to pay the shipping, and it really helped me understand the process of building a funnel. At first, I always used templates from right here. Now I go over to the Classic Funnel Builder and build from there. I can actually take a blank page now and build a funnel. And it took a while. You have to get some practice and build a couple funnels, get that under your in your system, and then you can build them from scratch. And it becomes second nature, just like anything else. There are 3 different reasons you would want to build a funnel: to collect emails, sell a product, or host a webinar. Now I selected sell your product. And when you go in, they're going to ask you to give it a name. We did a sales funnel, give it a name and put it in a group. Now I already did that. Now, once you get in there, you can select which template that you want to use. All these templates are here for you to use. And the neat thing is, once you become an expert and you create your own template, maybe you have finally you decided that you've already know what your branding looks like and you want your own template, you can create it from scratch and then save it and always pick it up when you build a new funnel. But look over here, you have your squeeze page, your sales page, order form, order confirmation, thank you. Everything is built for you. I don't know about you, but if you've ever tried to build a website, that's not all laid out for you. You have to go in and build it, and it takes more time, and then you have to add a lot of plugins. Everything is here for you. You don't have to do that. It's really a lot easier. So there you have it. That's the basic tutorial of how to get around. What does ClickFunnels do? Remember, it's a one-stop shop. I want to give you one more link that if you're already a serious business person, you've been familiar with ClickFunnels, and you think you're ready to go beyond the 14-day free trial, or even after 14 days, I want you to save this link, and it's going to take you to a webinar where Russell Brunson. Save the link. Don't click it yet because it only gives you 48 hours to go in there and use it. But check out your 14-day free trial. And before you make any decisions, go look at the webinar. And there's a lot of free training offered to you if you purchase a larger package for a year. And again, you have to know that you're serious. If you're not, I wouldn't recommend doing this. And then you can save $600 off the year and get lots of free training that goes with it. There's traffic secrets, different things like that that Russell offers. So again, it's all in the webinar, and all the links are below. You have a 14-day free trial, the cookbook, and the 1-year offer. I hope this was helpful. That gives you everything, like I said, in a nutshell. It's a quick navigation of what ClickFunnels can do. There are other videos that I've made that go into more detail. I've actually built a funnel, and I actually hacked a funnel in one of my videos, so make sure you check those out. And give me a thumbs up if this was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming today.